Welcome to Super Easy Math. In this video we're gonna find the area of this shape. Please pause the video and give it a try, and now let's go ahead into solution. First we will divide this shape into three parts: the upper triangle here, and the lower triangle or the small triangle, this one, and this rectangle. Now the area of this shape is equal to area of the upper triangle plus area of rectangle minus area of the lower triangle. Now let's find each one of them. The area of any triangle is equal to height times base over 2. So for the upper triangle, this is the height, so it's equal to 6 times the base is this side, but we know that this side is equal to 15, and we have this part equal to 6, so the base is equal to 9. So 6 times 9 over 2, 54 divided by 2 equal to 27. So this is the area of upper triangle. Now the area of rectangle is equal to height times base, or length times width. The length is equal to 9 and the width is equal to 15. So 9 times 15 equal to 135. We still have the lower triangle, so area of triangle is equal to height times base over 2. The base is equal to 6. The height, we have this side is equal to 9, and this part is equal to 6, so this part is equal to 3. So the height is equal to 3 times 6 over 2, 18 divided by 2 equal to 9 square units. So we have 27 plus 135 minus 9 equal 153 square units. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.